Alright, today is Monday, July 14th, 2025. Um, I haven't been very consistent with posting. I'm really trying to grow this account and really just see where it goes, but I was just dealing with personal things, so I took a break from really just trading in general. But I'm back now, and yeah, I would say I'm locked in, I guess, again. But today I took a short at 9:40 in the 5 minute candle, made $1,027 in 5 minutes or so, a little less. Um, so yeah, on NQ. First thing I did, I went to the 4 hour, and at the time, um, the 6 hour was right below the basis of the Bollinger Band. So that was my indication that I was gonna take a short today. Um, I went back to the 5 minute. Um, Now I went to the 30 minute. I marked out my liquidity zones. Right. Um, Here's one, and here's one right here. These are the liquidity zones, 1 and 2 right here. Went back to the 5 minute, and I just looked for basically a reversal. All indications were showing me that this was gonna be a reversal right here, so I entered about right here. No, about right here, and I just took the short for 1,000. Went for 22% gain and a 7% stop loss. Um, it was pretty simple. Um, a pretty light, easy day. Um, this candle was very bearish. To be fair, um, I think this candle right here was like I don't know. I just feel like on a regular day I wouldn't have won this trade. I was a little bit lucky because the whole trade, but it looks like it was just looking for a respect on the top, on the London highs. So, but I just took that. Um, I guess it was just looking for a respect on the London highs, and it was gonna bounce up and rally back up for the rest of the session. I did have a feeling that it was gonna be bullish because, um, as you can see here, it hits the bottom Bollinger Band, which is oversold levels, and there was a gap in the market last night. Um, and if you look at the MACD level, the MACD indicator, which is right here, you can see that the lines, the MACD and the signal line, they did meet each other right at here, and it was bullish. So I did know it was gonna be a bullish uh, day overall. I did know that because right here at the 6 hour. But following my rules just say that wherever the 6 hour, wherever the second, the 2 a.m. 4 hour candle is at, either below the bases, above the bases, oversold levels, um, overbought levels, those are my signals of where I get my bias. If it is below the basis line, I just take shorts, and if it's above the basis line, I just take longs. It was very simple today. Sometimes you just have to keep trading as simple as possible. A lot of people like to complicate it with all these terms and stuff, and but there's really no need for that. Trading is not really a uh a more a more the better you are at it. It's not about that. It's more about just pattern recognition, right? If you notice a pattern every day and it's consistent and you have good risk management, you will be profitable after off the strategy, right? And no matter what strategy it is, you'll always be profitable on it if it's consistent and if you have strict risk management. Even if your strategy isn't even consistent, and you just have really good price management, and you understand how to make your wins eat out your losses, you're profitable. So it's really not that hard. It just takes a lot of discipline and time to build that discipline. But you know, um, see, I'll play the next clip in a second. Yeah. So right here, I saw the new candle open, and there was the histogram bar was weakening. So I didn't. I that was my signal that my entry could be pretty soon. And right here, I saw the MACD line start to bend downward, and I was waiting for it to completely cross the signal line, and that would be my indication that it was a reversal, and I would enter. So right here, when I saw that red histogram bar, I entered on one contract, and I put my take profit at 1,030, and I put my stop loss at 300. And I saw it go like extreme downward, and I just knew like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit this trade, and it hit my take profit. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, I'm glad, and I'll see you on next video.